let's explore some amazing arpeggios, and 'tis the season, so let's do this alongside some beautiful carols. Arpeggios can be huge and dramatic or super simple, so let's check out a mix of these right now. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on Piano every Thursday. Well, today let's check out 6 awesome arpeggios that we can really easily break down and add to our repertoire heading into this Christmas season. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So for our first arpeggio, we can break down 2 broken chords starting on G, G, B, D, G, B, D in the right hand and the left hand, slowly going up there to the 6 little counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice and evenly there. And then we can start to sing along, going from this thumb note here on our D. So we can go silent night, holy night. And then we can change about the chords as we go around. So we have some D chords and some G chords, and also we do go to a C chord in that song if you want to practice some C ripples down there as well. And we'll finish there. Our second arpeggio, we can look at a bass note starting down here on the A, so A, and then an A chord in the right hand, but let's break that. So we'll break over that triad there, so bass note 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our starting note for this song could be the C sharp there, so oh holy night. And so we can do a little ripple up there with our bass answering with this hand, and let our wrist do little arcs there. Then we can go to a D chord, back to the A chord. So that would start off that carol in a really simple pattern. Now our third arpeggio is a little bit more complicated. We can start down here on an F and build up, so a note 1, a note 5, 8, 10 and 12. We can tip over to those there because it sounds beautiful in the little ripple, and going to especially the 10 or the 12 is one of my favorite things to do here with the left hand. So F, C, F, over with our pointer to the A and to the C there, and then our right hand could just answer with an F chord, and we could even do 2 notes, A and C, F and A, back to A and C. So there's little thirds we could kind of answer there. So T, 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 wait, ta, 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 and the thirds there. And you might notice that the notes, top notes, are outlining the little arpeggio as well. Away in a manger, no crib or a bed, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. I just love how that one sounds. It always makes my heart sing. So enjoy. And on to our number 4 arpeggio. We can sometimes break up our notes again to change the energy a little bit. So we have a thrill of hope with Oh Holy Night onto this E chord. So if we start from our E down the bottom, our pinky to our thumb. So pinky, chord, chord with our E, G sharp, B. So pinky, thumb, pinky, thumb. They're outlining that little E pattern, and then down to our A again. So the way that this one would fit, so if I just grab some lyrics, if we go from a thrill of hope from our E pattern, so this is our singing note, a thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. So we get the little broken chord there, vamping with our left hand, and it just changes up the feel of that energy there. And then onto our number 5, then we can go into a big grand arpeggio. Once again, not too hard with both hands together, but from one hand to the next, we can go up this big F sharp minor arpeggio there. So left hand, F sharp, A, C sharp, and then follow the notes up. Bring our hand, float over there to the F sharp, A, C sharp, and same at the top. So these same notes here at the bottom can go all the way to the top, but we can do it in a big flowy motion from the bottom. Then we're going to go to the C sharp pattern, B minor. The notes for the C sharp there, C sharp, E, G sharp, C sharp, E, G sharp. Left hand exactly the same again with the right hand. Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's join those together. F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then B minor is our next one. So B, D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp. Float over again. Let's do that again. Returning to the F sharp minor. And now let's put those 4 huge arpeggios all together now from our F sharp minor. Here we go. C sharp, B minor, back to the F sharp minor. And then on to one of the easiest little patterns that we can do, just to break down and take the basic notes from an arpeggio. We could just grab the note 1 and the note 5 of the scale, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those two could become just a little vamp here. And we can just stay there. It does a lot of Fs in the song, so it's so simple for this one. And then we could go to the C midway. Eventually there's a B flat, couple of B flats, and then C's, and then F again. So let's play that through to finish. We can have a super easy carol. You could add chords to this as well, and further arpeggios or broken chords if you wanted to, but I just thought it might be fun to finish with a super easy one, and let's have a bit of a playthrough. So down here on the F pattern, F and C, let's have a go. Here we go. To the C pattern. Stay on the C. F. Now B flat, stay there. Back to the F. C pattern. Return to the F. C for 1, back to the F pattern. Well, thanks so much for joining me. If you'd like to check out further arpeggio videos, I'll link to those. And also there's some greater detail on a couple of carols videos as well, if you'd like to grow Oh Holy Night and also an Away in a Manger version. Enjoy. Have a great week.